Okay, this is a quick little deal on how to replace the transmission neutral switch on a Kirby vacuum. First, you're going to have to pull the transmission out. There's lots of videos that show you how to pull these out, so I'm just going to go right to it and show you how to pull the transmission out. Put in the neutral switch. But you'll have, on the bottom, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. You'll take those off. There's also a top cover. You're going to take that off. But there's lots of videos that show that. So what I'm going to do is show you how to get the transmission neutral switch. Buy a new one. This is what I recommend. Don't try to use the old one over again. You'll have nothing but problems if you're going to do this yourself here. So this is the new switch. It's already set up to go. If you try to use the old one, they just come out over and over again. Okay, so from here, we got one screw left. So this, we're going to take this one screw out here, and we're going to save that. Then you're going to take that clip out. This piece you're going to reuse again inside the machine. So what you'll do is you'll hold this out like this. You put it in like that, and this is way it's all set up. So you're going to reinstall this the same way I just took it out. And it's so much easier if you just buy a whole new drive transmission neutral switch. Alright, so from here, we're just going to put it in and line it up. I'm not sure how great of an image we're getting from the camera here. Okay, so there's a little notch that comes up through here, and you're going to reline that notch. Then you're going to take that one screw that you put out. Then we're going to tighten this screw. Trying to get my hands out of the way, but anyways, we're going to tighten this one screw. Get it snug, not overly tight, but snug. And as you can see, I do this all in one take, so I just knocked over the camera, which is fine. But anyways, I got the new drive and transmission neutral switch inside. So you drive, neutral, drive, neutral. And this is how it's going to look when you got it all set. And then when you reinstall it, this piece right here, make sure you get it lined up properly. There's right there on the handle yoke, there's a little spot to line this up properly, then also put your belt back on. But there's lots of videos that show how to take apart the vacuum cleaner, and you could check those out. But I'm just kind of specifying, always use a new neutral and drive switch. And this is what it's going to look like when you're all done. You're set.